This railway is called the Museum of French Steam Tramways and Secondary Railways. It was opened in 1976 and is intended to recreate a typical metre-gauge rural French secondary railway. It begins near the small town of Butry-sur-Orge, which is about 30 kilometres north of Paris and 2 hours by road from the Channel port of Boulogne. At present, 4 kilometres of line is open, as shown in the green line in the top left corner of the map. Work is currently underway on the next section, shown in blue, and finally the section in red will be completed to bring the line to the SNCF station at Saint-Omer. Our special train was hauled by tram engine number 60, an 060 tank, which originally worked on the Tramway de la Sarthe, a network of tramways that radiated from Le Mans. It was built in 1898 by Atelier du Nord de France and carries the name La Perte-Bernard, a village it once worked to from Le Mans. The other locomotive currently in working order is number 75, an 060 built by Corpet-Louvet in 1909. It originally worked on the extensive tramway d'Ille-et-Vilaine in Rennes, Brittany. It closed in 1948. The original line was standard gauge and was doubled during World War I, and the bridges are still built for double track. Extensive track relaying had taken place, and the track was in very good condition. Normally services operate on alternate Sundays between April and October, and as this was a midweek day, the driver used the whistle extensively in case people were on the line. Currently this is the end of the line. Eventually, when it reaches Saint-Omer, it will be 3 times the length at 12 kilometres. The carriages are all original and date from the 1880s. These and the locomotives have been given recognition as items of historical significance and are classed as monuments historiques. A locomotive awaiting restoration is number 36, Lulu, an 060 tank built by Corpé Louvet in 1925. This originally worked on the Chemin de Fer de Côte du Nord. And a very unusual bedfellow, former Furka Oberalp GM44, built by Young MWM in 1966. This will be a useful replacement for steam when the whole line is eventually open for use.